Welcome to day 28 of 90 Days Race Challenge. And today we are going to discuss the first C for anybody in order to become a profitable trader and investor, and that is called as clarity. You should have the absolute clarity on what kind of trader or investor you are or you are aspiring to become based on your current profession. Because if you are someone who is doing your 9 to 5 job, then it is very difficult for you to become a day trader or sometimes BTST trader as well. So at that point of time, you can prefer swing trade, positional trade, or sometimes trend following trades as well. And similarly, if you're a businessman, entrepreneur, freelancer, homemaker, or even a student, you should have the basic clarity of what kind of trader you want to become based on your current profession, based on which you'll be able to decide that, yes, if I want to become this kind of trader, this particular system is made for me. And to learn that particular system and to master that particular system, these are the different sets of tools or maybe one or two tools which I need to learn. So this is a short glimpse about clarity. I'll see you tomorrow with second C.